Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Nissan Juke and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video should apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now the battery is located under the front hood right here on the driver's side. Now as you can see, there's a bunch of snow under the hood. We had a bad snowstorm last night, so for some reason a bunch of snow got blown into the engine bay through here. But anyways, this battery is completely frozen up and I will be replacing it. Now the first thing you have to remove is the battery holder, which is here on the top of the battery. The holder is held by two 10mm nuts, one here and one down there on the other side. So you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench key. Okay, now once you have the holder off, next thing you have to do, you just have to loosen up the battery terminals. Now you have the positive here and the negative here. Now one very important thing, you always want to make sure first to disconnect the negative battery terminal and then the positive. And when you're installing the new battery in, always first connect the positive and then the negative, just to avoid any kind of shorts and additional problems. Again, you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench key to loosen up these nuts on the terminals. Once the nuts are loose, you should be able just to gently wiggle off the terminal. Now, what sometimes happens if the battery wasn't replaced in a long time, these terminals might be kind of stuck. In that case, what you could do, you can try using something like a flat screwdriver just to try and pry it from underneath and then wiggle it. And if you still can't remove it, then you want to insert the flat screwdriver just here in between and tap it on the top, and that way you should be able to loosen it up and then wiggle it off. Now once this negative is off, now I will proceed to the positive. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and now once everything is disconnected, battery is completely loose and it's ready to be replaced. And one more time I will repeat, when installing new battery, first install the positive terminal, then the negative, and you should be good to go. Very easy to do on this car. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.